Welcome to Flinto File. Today we're diving into 10 futuristic gadgets you can actually buy in 2025. Forget concepts and prototypes, these are real, available, and mind-blowingly cool. From wearable AI to flying selfie cameras, we're exploring tech that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. No predictions, just the most interesting, forward-thinking, and weirdest tech pushing boundaries right now. Ready to see how far technology has come? Let's jump into the world of tomorrow, today. First up, let's talk about the Humane AI Pin, a truly unique, screenless, wearable AI assistant that simply clips onto your clothes like a stylish accessory. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your outfit, making advanced technology feel natural and approachable. This device is entirely voice-controlled, allowing you to send messages, make calls, and even access information hands-free. What's really futuristic is its ability to project a simple interactive interface right onto your palm using a tiny laser, so you can see and control basic functions without ever needing a screen. You interact with it using intuitive hand gestures, no phone or touchscreen required. It's a new way to communicate with technology, making the experience feel almost magical, and freeing you from the constant pull of your smartphone. Its Catch Me Up feature is especially handy, summarizing all your notifications and messages into a quick digestible audio brief. This means you can stay informed without being overwhelmed by constant alerts or having to check your phone every few minutes. Powered by advanced AI, the Humane AI Pin is designed to help you stay present in the moment, not distracted by screens or endless notifications. It encourages a more mindful relationship with technology. Of course, it's not perfect yet. There are still some limitations and quirks to work out. But it's a bold step toward a future where artificial intelligence is seamlessly woven into our daily routines, making life easier and more connected. Will it replace your smartphone anytime soon? Not quite. There are still plenty of things your phone does better, but the AI Pin is a fascinating alternative for those who want to cut down on screen time. As a glimpse into a screenless, ambient tech future, it stands out as one of the most innovative and intriguing gadgets of 2025, hinting at how we might interact with technology in the years to come. The Humane AI Pin is also a true conversation starter. People notice it, ask about it, and it sparks curiosity wherever you go. The future of personal computing might just be wearable and almost invisible, blending into our lives in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Next, the RingConn Smart Ring, health tracking shrunk down to a sleek titanium ring. It monitors sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, and activity, all without a bulky watch. The companion app turns complex data into simple, actionable insights. With a week-long battery life and waterproof design, it's built for 24/7 wear. No screens, no distractions, just passive, insightful health data. The charging case is as clever as the ring itself. The RingConn Smart Ring shows how futuristic tech is becoming invisible and integrated into our lives. Now, let's fly with the DJI Avata 2, an FPV drone that puts you in the cockpit. Slip on the goggles, grab the motion controller, and you're flying with intuitive, point-and-go controls. The drone's propeller guards make it safe for indoor and outdoor adventures. Its 4K camera and rock-steady stabilization deliver stunning, smooth footage, even during wild maneuvers. Perfect for creators and explorers, it captures impossible shots and offers a breathtaking new perspective. The Avata 2 makes complex FPV tech accessible to everyone. It's not just a gadget, it's an experience. Want to see the future? Take flight. The DJI Avata 2 lets you experience tomorrow, today. Meet the Rabbit R1, a dedicated AI device that acts as a universal controller for your apps. This pocket-sized gadget is designed to streamline your digital life, letting you interact with your favorite services in a whole new way. Instead of constantly switching between apps or getting lost in endless menus, the R1 brings everything together in one place, making technology feel more personal and intuitive. Designed by teenage engineering, it's compact, retro-cool, and features a scroll wheel, rotating camera, and push-to-talk button. The hardware feels playful yet purposeful, with every detail crafted for easy, one-handed use. Its unique look stands out from typical gadgets, making it as much a conversation starter as a tool. Instead of juggling apps, just ask the R1 to handle tasks, like booking rides or playing music, across your connected accounts. You simply speak your request, and the device takes care of the rest, acting as your personal digital assistant that understands context and intent. Its large action model. AI executes actions, not just text. This means it can actually perform tasks for you, like ordering food or managing your calendar, rather than just giving you information or suggestions. No app installs. Just connect your services through the Rabbit Hole portal. With a few clicks, you link your favorite platforms, and the R1 instantly becomes your bridge to a more unified digital experience. It's a bold rethink of how we interact with digital services. By focusing on actions instead of apps, the R1 challenges the way we've used technology for years, hinting at a future where devices work for us, not the other way around. Still early, but the concept is undeniably futuristic. The R1 is paving the way for a new category of AI-first devices, and it's exciting to imagine where this technology could lead. The Rabbit R1 questions the smartphone's dominance. It asks us to consider whether our phones should be the center of our digital lives, or if there's a better, more focused way to interact with technology. It's a fascinating step toward a simpler, more efficient digital life, one where technology adapts to us, not the other way around. The Xreal Air 2 AR glasses transform any space into your own private cinema or workspace, giving you a massive personal virtual screen, anywhere you go, at any time. At first glance they look just like a stylish pair of sunglasses, but plug them in, and suddenly you're looking at a stunning 130-inch display that floats right in your field of view, as if by magic. Whether you're watching movies on a long flight, working with multiple monitors at a coffee shop, or gaming at home, the Xreal Air 2 adapts to your lifestyle. You can stay productive, entertained, and connected, all while remaining aware of your surroundings. The glasses are lightweight, comfortable for hours of use, and incredibly easy to set up. Just plug them in via USB-C to your laptop, phone, or gaming device, and you're ready to go. Built-in directional speakers deliver clear private audio straight to your ears, so you don't need headphones and can still hear what's happening around you. There's no complicated setup, no need to block out the world, just instant, immersive, and practical augmented reality that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. The Xreal Air 2 isn't about cluttering your view with digital objects. Instead, it's about giving you a big, beautiful screen on demand, wherever you are. It's a glimpse into the future of displays, one that's no longer limited by the size of a physical monitor or TV, but instead moves with you, adapting to your needs. With the Xreal Air 2, augmented reality becomes simple, practical, and truly useful for everyday life. Now, something straight out of sci-fi, the Tesla Bot, or Optimus. It's a full-scale, autonomous humanoid robot designed to handle unsafe, repetitive, or boring tasks. Using Tesla's AI and robotics expertise, Optimus navigates, manipulates objects, and even does yoga. Its human-like proportions and dexterity are engineering feats. Tesla aims to sell early versions to commercial partners as soon as 2025. The potential impact is massive. Imagine robots in factories, warehouses, or even homes. Each prototype gets smarter and more capable. Optimus is a bold leap in robotics, moving from concept to reality. The future of work, and maybe daily life, could look very different. The Withings BeamO is a 4-in-1 health multi-tool for your pocket. It combines a thermometer, ECG, oximeter, and digital stethoscope in one sleek device. In a minute, you get a full checkup, temperature, heart rhythm, blood oxygen, and even lung sounds. All data syncs to the app for easy tracking and sharing with your doctor. It's a game-changer for telehealth and proactive home monitoring. Smaller than a smartphone, it empowers you with clinical-grade tools at home. The BeamO brings the future of healthcare to your fingertips. The Clicks keyboard for iPhone is both futuristic and nostalgic. It's a case that adds a physical, QWERTY keyboard, freeing up your screen and improving typing. No Bluetooth, no charging, just plug it in and type. Backlit keys and shortcuts make your iPhone feel like a productivity powerhouse. It's a modern twist on classic tech, perfect for heavy typers and creators. Sometimes, the future is about bringing back what worked best. The Clicks keyboard proves tactile feedback still has a place in our digital world. In the living room, foldable and rollable OLED TVs are redefining what a television can be. The LG signature OLED-R rolls up into a sleek base, disappearing when not in use. Stunning 4K visuals, perfect blacks, and vibrant colors. No compromise on quality. Flexible screens mean new form factors, like foldable micro-LED displays. Still ultra-premium, but prices will drop as tech matures. These TVs turn home entertainment into dynamic, disappearing art. The future of TV is flexible, beautiful, and almost invisible. Meet MOFLIN, the AI-powered pet that's not a dog or cat, but something entirely new. It learns, evolves, and develops a unique personality based on your interactions. Sensors let it respond to touch, sound, and movement, cooing, nuzzling, or even getting scared. MOFLIN's emotional AI creates a real bond, adapting over time. Perfect for those who can't have live pets, it offers a new kind of companionship. It's a blend of robotics, AI, and emotional design. MOFLIN is a fuzzy, friendly glimpse into the future of friendship. That's 10 pieces of tech that feel like the future but are here now. Which gadget blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. If you love exploring tech and mind-blowing stories, like and subscribe to Flinto File. The future is closer than you think, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.